was at my girlfriend's house. We were asleep. Heard banging on the door. We went outside to see what was going on, and one of the neighbours said, "Fire, fire." I looked through the keyhole first before we opened. I saw a couple of people running down the stairs where the fire exit is. So we got our trainers on and stuff, and literally within a couple, before we got outside, opened the front door. There was thick smoke along the whole landing. So I shut the door. Thought maybe it might be safer to stay inside, but
They're my phones.
yeah, then we phoned our neighbour. She said, "Get out, get out." The smoke alarm started going off inside our house, so we thought, no, now's the time to get out. So we rushed out, rushed down the stairs. Apparently, the fire brigade couldn't get the
Dry riser.
The dry riser. They couldn't get it. It either wasn't working or they couldn't get it open. So they were trying to bang on the door at first to get through, but because they're fire doors, they couldn't get through the fire doors. So I think basically what happened was it spread where it was in the kitchen on fire. It went through the kitchen window and then it started spreading up across the cladding, which was newly put in there. So,
And you live on you and your girlfriend live on the floor where the fire started.
yeah, my girlfriend does. Yeah, on the floor. It was literally flat opposite us.
And it was that person that came and knocked you
I
up.
think it was, yeah, because it was quite a loud bang on the door. So yeah.
And when you came out, there was lots of smoke, lots of confusion.
Yeah, there was smoke everywhere, literally everywhere. There was people downstairs. There was bits of the block, the cladding falling off the block that was on fire.
Screaming.
People screaming, fire.
Screaming.
People screaming. After a couple of minutes, because obviously people were still sleeping on the higher floors, so they didn't have a clue what was going on. I'm not even sure if half of them got out, to be honest with you. There was kids at the window. There was people flashing their phone lights for help, but the fire brigade couldn't get upstairs because it just set the whole block on fire so quick. I don't know. I just pray for the people that were still upstairs and I hope they got out.
We called the fire brigade, they came 20 minutes later, and then the whole thing just went off.
Basically what's happened is there was a small fire that started on about the second or third floor, something like that. And my friends called the fire brigade, they've come down and they've tried to put the fire out at the bottom, but they weren't reaching it, the water weren't reaching it. And as the fires got higher, then they've decided to use the ladders, but even then the fire's just gone up and now half the building's gone.